I did ask, when I did ask Sean about the screwdriver,
you can't see a screwdriver. I mean,
he said that she pulled it out.
all I did. Where's the screwdriver at now?
It's in the whole car. Yes. And I knew she threatened me with fighting.
How many videos did you take them?
Well, there's a lot of videos. It's it just happened not too long ago. I know it's one of them.
So how many videos did you take that you're having scrolled through the video?
It's an Xfinity thing.
Oh,
It
okay.
records everything.
Gotcha, okay.
But she threatened me about beating me up.
So were you holding the screwdriver, or how did this?
Alright, I
how did
was
the screwdriver
inside
come into
my
play?
car. Okay, I go in the glove box and I have to push down on the red button, and then I gotta use screwdriver to find your back. And I can show you.
Okay.
You want me to show you now?
No, I don't.
Okay. And I swear I will not ever come with somebody near somebody with that. I got my mother, my two children. Why would I threaten somebody's life? I am not that bad person.
So what I'm asking you is not for you to swear to everybody and everybody know.
Yeah.
What made her think, or why is she saying that you threatened her with a screwdriver?
Okay.
How did that,
I was headed
Martinsburg 28.
my boyfriend's home with a car. It stopped right beside me.
00052. 00052.
And he said that where's my $100? I was like, I'm not paying you anything. And one, I didn't steal a thing. And I want to know what the receipt is. Huh? Ashley Adams.
Actually, listen, we talked to your neighbor down there. Really, this whole thing was just misunderstanding. So I guess she saw it one way, and we talked to the boyfriend, and he's like, no, it was a little bit different. So I guess she took it as a threat. He didn't take it as a threat. I don't think you meant it as a threat.
No.
So she's like, okay, well, maybe this was a misunderstanding.
Because I can show you right now about my seatbelt button, because the thing's supposed to hold the seatbelt.
Sorry, she said it was probably just a misunderstanding because the boyfriend was like, yeah, I don't think it was a threat.
Yeah.
I saw him with the screwdriver, but I saw him stuck it up and threatened me or whatever.
Yeah.
And she's like, okay, I just saw the screwdriver, I thought you were out playing or something and stuff. So it was just a misunderstanding. She understands it was a misunderstanding. She's women, if you ask about money, it's like it's a screwdriver, she's like, oh shit, and then about the money.
Yeah.
And then, right, that's not the case at all.
It's all because we're friends with their old friend Willie. And I guess don't want to be friends with them. So they're jealous because he's hanging out with me and my sister. It is not fault.
we're good. We're resolving it.